Everyone, welcome back to our maths class, class 9. Today we are continuing our course. We were doing mensuration, so today we will learn area of pathway. Okay, you can find the pathway if the rectangle is given here. If the rectangular field, a rectangular part, whatever is given, and suppose it is length from here to here, suppose this is breadth of this rectangular part. Now what is the area of path running outside of this rectangle with uniform length? Okay, this distance, suppose d, these all distance are same, from here to here also d, from here to here also d. So area of path outside a rectangle, area of path outside the rectangle. What is the area? If it is L, then this is d, from here to here it is d, and from here to here also it is d. So what is the total distance from here to here? L plus 2d. Similarly, if it is b, this total is L plus 2d. Distance from here to here, it is L plus 2d. Similarly, this distance, what is the breadth of this total rectangle? B plus 2d. So total area is L plus 2d into B plus 2d. Okay, this is length into breadth. Actually formula is length into breadth, and length is L plus 2d, breadth is B plus 2d. And you have to find the area of this outer part only. You have to find the area of this outer part only. So we have to remove this, because to find the area of the shaded region, total area outer part minus inside area we have to do, and inside area is L into B. Now L plus 2d, B plus 2d, if you multiply L into B, LB plus 2LD, 2LB plus 2BD plus 2 to the 4 d square minus L into B. Now this LB and this LB can be cancelled. Now what is common from this 3? 2d, L plus B plus D. Sorry, 2d, because 4 is there, 2d. So area of path running outside of rectangle. Area of path running outside of rectangle is 2d L plus B plus 2d. Okay, this is your formula to calculate the area of path running outside a rectangle. Now similarly, if the rectangle is here, rectangular field whose length and breadth are L and B respectively, and inside a rectangular field, inside, this is inside, uniform path whose length is d is there, then what will be the area of this path? Area of path is inside, okay, inside a rectangle. You can see here it is rectangle which is given here, whose length and breadth L and B, outside, this path is outside of this rectangle, so 2d L plus B plus 2d. Similarly, length and breadth, outer part is given. If outer part is given, now you have to find inside a rectangle. So what is the formula? First of all, outer part is L into B minus, now inner part, this is L minus 2d, this is B minus 2d. This length is L minus 2d, because total is L, d and d subtracted, so L minus 2d into B minus 2d, length into breadth. Now let's multiply this, L into B, LB L into 2D, your minus plus 2LD, again minus plus, so plus 2BD, and minus plus, but with this minus it will be again minus, 2 2s are 4, D square. LB and LB cancel. Now from your 2D common, L plus B minus 2D. So from here we have two formulas. One, area of path running outside, then 2D L plus B plus 2D, where length L is length of rectangle, B is breadth of rectangle, and D is distance. Okay, distance, the length of this path, actually the breadth of this path, wide of the inner part, you can say wide. Okay, this is wide. And if the path is inside, then 2D L plus B minus 2D. You have to remember this. If outside, then 2D L plus B plus 2D. Plus is here, and inside L plus B minus 2D. Okay, length is L, breadth is B, and the distance wide of the path is D. Wide of the path is D. Now you have to find the area of this path. So what do? Total area is L into B minus, we have to subtract this these areas, otherwise simply you can find, you have to find area of this path and area of this path. So what is the area of this path? L, length, this D, so L into D plus, again this is B and this is D, so B into D, but this part is overlapping, so twice it is there, so we have to remove that. So this is also D, this is also D, D square. Now what is common from these all? D is common, L plus B minus D. Okay, area of crossing path is D into L plus B minus D. So from these three we can learn area of path outside of rectangle. What is the formula? 2D L plus B plus 2D. And area of path inside of rectangle. Inside of rectangle, what is the formula? 2D L plus B minus 2D, here plus, here minus. And if crossing path is there, if the path is in midway, crossed each other, then D L plus B minus D. Area of circular ring, like if circle is there, then area is pi r square, you can write. But if the circular path or whatever circular object is there, if the circular object is here, now if the radius from here to here, you have to find area of this circular ring. Okay, and if the radius from here to center to smaller circle, radius is r, or bigger circle radius is, suppose we can let capital R. So area of circular ring, that is area of bigger circle, pi r square minus pi r square. We can take pi common, so r square minus r square can be done for area of this circular path, this path only. We can tell circular path as well. Okay, area of circular path is pi r square minus pi r square. But this capital R represent the radius of bigger circle and small r represent the radius of small circle. Let's start for exercise. This is the first question. You can see in page number 90. Question is here: find the area of shaded part. In junior classes also we have done. This is the shaded part, outer of this rectangle. Inside also rectangle is there, outside also rectangle is there. So you will find the area of outer part minus area of inner part. Length of length of outer rectangle is 18 meter and breadth of outer rectangle, this is breadth, which is 12 meter. Now you can find the area of outer part, and then you can find area of inner part also, and then subtract, you will get the area of shaded region. Let's find the area of outer part. Let it be A1, so L into B we can do 18 into 12, and now 18 tens are 180, 18 to the 36 means 216 or 6, 18 into 12, 216 meter square. And let's find the area of inner part. For that, length of inner rectangle. What is the length of inner rectangle? This is given 10, and again breadth of inner rectangle. What is the breadth? 4 meter. You can find area of inner part, inner rectangle. We can let A2. Same formula can be applied here also, which gives us 40 meter square. Okay. Now after getting the area of outer part and area of inner part, you can find area of shaded region. Now area of shaded part, you can find A1 minus A2. A1 is 216 meter square, A2 is 40 meter square. Now 216 minus 40, 176 meter square. Okay. Here you have to find the area of the shaded part. It means area of path running inside or outside. Look here, if outer part is given, then the path is inside, and if the length and breadth of inside path rectangle is given, then you have to find area of outside. So here what do you have to find? Area of inside or outside of rectangle? Inside of rectangle, because outside value is given, where length is given. What is the length? 5 meter. Breadth, this is the breadth, 3 meter, and width of the path, which is represented by D. This is the wideness of this path, 1 meter. Now it is inside, that is why we have to find area of shaded part, means area of path running inside. We can use, what is the formula running inside then? 2D L plus B minus 2D, L plus B minus 2D, because it is outside, inside. We use value of D is 1, L 5 plus 3 minus 2 into 1, 5 3 8, 8 minus 2 6, 6 to the 12 meter square is the area of this path. If outside value is given, then we have to use inside's area of path running inside. Okay, and if inside value is given, then we have to use area of running out. Now look at this figure here. Inside rectangle's value is given. Yes, length and breadth. Length is 6 meter, breadth is 5 meter. Inside's value is given. Okay, and wide of the path, wideness of path. Here shaded region, it is not given field, that's why path we will not use the term. 1 meter. Now since inside's value is given, area that rectangle is given inside and path is outside of this rectangle, so you have to find the area of outer part. Area of shaded region is 2d L plus B plus 2d. 2d L plus B plus 2d, because it is outside. Rectangle is inside, path is outside. 2 into 1, length is 6 plus 5, 2 into 1. Now 6 5 11, 2 1 2, 11 plus 2 13, 13 to the 26 meter square is the area of this shaded region. Okay, now here it is also same, but it is inside square is there. We can use here length also 5 meter, breadth also 5 meter, and wide 3 meter. Now it is inside or outside? If inside's value is given, then outside you have to use, and if outside's value is given, then inside you have to use. Formula of inside. So area of shaded part inside, so 2d L plus B plus 2d, because outside is formula, plus inside then minus 2 into d 5 plus 5 plus 2 into 3, because it is inside value is given, so outside formula we have to use, and for outside we have to use plus 6. Now your 3 to the 6, 5 5 10, 16 96 meter square. Okay, here circle, one circle is here, another circle is outside. You have to find the area of this side. It means area of ring you have to find. Inside nothing is there. Yes, so for this what is the bigger radius? Bigger radius are this total 5, here 2, so 7 meter, and smaller radius is from here to here 5 meter. Now you have to find area of ring, that means area of shaded part, that is pi r square minus r square. Pi is 22 by 7, 7 square minus 5 square. Now this 22 by 7, now 7 square is 49, 5 square is 25. 49 minus 25 will be 24. 24 into 22 divided by 7 is 75.43 meter square. You can find radius of bigger is 5 plus 2 7, radius of smaller is 5 only. So pi r square minus r square we can use, so you can find the area of shaded part here. Okay, now I have done some exercise from here. Now you will be doing this question number 1, page number 91, question number 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and this 2. Okay, here 49 is total radius, 42 is small radius.